Hello and welcome to the Elvatech channel. Today we are going to talk about an important topic for the cosmetic industry: analysis of cosmetic products using XRF technology. Cosmetics come into daily contact with human skin, making the control of their safety and quality absolutely crucial. In recent years, international standards for cosmetic composition have become more strict, particularly in terms of toxic elements like lead, mercury, cadmium, and arsenic. Failing to meet these standards can not only pose risk to consumer health, but also lead to significant legal consequences for manufacturer. Today, we will demonstrate how our portable XRF analyzer ProSpector 3 can easily and quickly analyze cosmetic products to ensure compliance with international safety standards. Cosmetic products may contain toxic elements like lead, mercury, cadmium, and arsenic, which can enter body through the skin. These substances are particularly dangerous with prolonged use, as they accumulate in the body and can cause a range of health issues, including allergic reactions, skin irritation, and even poisoning. International cosmetic standards like EU Cosmetic Regulation, FDA, which basically is a USA standard, ISO 22716, as well as ASEAN, and Chinese CFDA strictly limit the presence of these toxic elements. For example, in China, the allowable level of lead in cosmetics should not exceed more than 10 ppm. Testing cosmetics for these elements not only ensure product safety, but also guarantees compliance with all necessary international standards. Now, let's take a look at the equipment we use for the analysis. This is the ProSpector 3, the most compact, lightweight, and fastest handheld XRF analyzer on the market. Its portability makes it ideal for both laboratory research and field work. ProSpector 3 is equipped with the highly accurate detector, which allows it to identify even the smallest concentrations of toxic elements in just a few seconds. This device is excellent for analyzing cosmetic products due to its ease of use and a high accuracy. Combined with the lab stand, you can stabilize the sample and get result that meets the highly standards. ProSpector 3 easily adapts to different conditions, whether in the lab or in the production line, ensuring accuracy and stability in every measurement. Now, let's see how the process of analyzing cosmetics with ProSpector 3 works in real life. We'll be analyzing several cosmetic products, including lipstick, cream, and face serum. Sample preparation takes just a few seconds. So, let's head up to our analysis. And today, as I already mentioned, we have three different cosmetic products that will be analyzed by our handheld ProSpector 3. The basic version would be completely enough for this testing. And so, shall we start with the liquid form at the first? I think we would try to do this product. And it has the liquid form, so it's gonna be easier for us. We just need to pour it in the sample cup. Right, I think this would be enough. And just need to spread it on the surface of our film, the protective film. So we would have no bubbles and it would be just a pure liquid. Yep, we are good with it. Then we just need to test it if the surface has any leaks or something or any damage, but it seems all good. Everything's clear and we are ready to make the first analysis. So let's just place the sample cup on our lab stand or the measuring window, and next we just need to select the right mode, the right calibration for this testing, and it's gonna be cosmetics. So we will choose it from our menu. We can locate it. It stains right here. You can see it's some cosmetic products on the picture. And just let's press it. Set the time for analysis. Here we have the 10 seconds, which actually the average time, and it's most suitable for this kind of analysis. But let's select the 5 seconds to make a fast screening, just to show you. Anyways, it will provide you with the pretty clear data just for 5 seconds. Alright, we set the exact time, and now we're ready to take our first analysis. So let's go. Alright, so we are ready with our first analysis, and let's just take a fast look what we can see here. So we see the big concentration of cadmium. It has 213,000 of ppm. The concentration is this particular sample, and in this product. Also, we have phosphorus in concentration of 7,000 ppm. We have ferrum, we have zinc, and we have cuprum. So basically here we don't have any kind of toxic elements that we mentioned earlier, and we can say that this product is absolutely compliant with all international standards and are ready to release for the market, which actually it already does. So let's start with the second one, and the second one we probably have the face and skin cream. So let's prepare a sample a bit. Alright, for this we just need a little spoon and the sample cup where we can actually pour our substance. So again, here is the face and skin cream. We just need to place it at least to make a dot on our measuring surface where we have the protective film, so it will be absolutely accurate for analysis. I'm just trying to spread it a bit in the sample cup so we have the full surface for analysis, and probably just a dot, and it looks like this. It would be enough. So we will just make a targeting with our small collimator to take the surface for analysis. So clumsy, sorry. Alright, so taking this one. Going back to cosmetics, then we select our collimator. This one can cover all the surface here that we have. Actually, just adjusting it a bit to make sure that, yep, this all the surface here. And we are good for second analysis. So let's head over. And so, let's head over to our second results of our analysis, and here we have the big concentration of sulfur, and it's actually alright for the all creams that goes to the body, like for skin contacts, it's absolutely okay. So we have a sulfur in concentration of 74,000 ppm. Then next we have phosphorus, it's 14,000 ppm, and also we have 4,000 ppm of silicon. Just 1,700 ppm of calcium, and all other elements as like ferrum, cuprum, and zinc, they are like in low concentration, below 1,000 ppm. So, but what we can see here that there is no toxic elements detected in this sample. So we can consume that this analysis is also good, and this product is absolutely good for pouring it on the skin, and it's good for releasing for the market. So the manufacturer will have no problems with it. Alright, and now let's head over to our third product and third analysis. Here we have the different product. It's probably the lipstick. And it might seem that it would be harder to analyze it because here we have a brush. But actually all that we need is just a little bit of this product on our surface, and we would be absolutely alright to make an analysis, and it's going to be accurate and reliable for sure. So just taking a bit of product here, trying to get it more thicker to fit in. Let's make it And sorry, I'm not a professional of using this one, so it might take a time a bit. Alright, seems we got this surface covered with just this kind of lipstick, and let's try to analyze this one. I'm pretty sure we will be able to make even this kind of analysis, but let's better check it out. Alright, so again, here we will use our collimator because it's big. Again, here we will use our collimator, and because it's the big hand of help here when we work with this kind of substances, and it will help us to find the most thicker spot and just concentrate on it. So let's see how it works. We will centralize the small dot of just a 2 millimeters round, and let's position it right over here. Yeah, I think that's gonna be cool. Yeah, good for analysis. So let's close our head up and start making analysis. Alright, we have the third analysis, third result, and here is a bit different composition because we have the concentration of 3 elements at the whole, and here we have the most concentration of silicon, which actually consists almost 500,000 ppm. It's 466,000 ppms. Then we have a less lower of titanium, it's 32,000 ppm, and the next element is going ferrum with only 8,300 ppms. So basically we can say that mostly the base element for manufacturing of this lipstick is a silicon, but also we can conduct here that this analysis and this product are absolutely reliable for all use and for human's body, for use of the human's body, and this is also good for the market. To conclude, we can say that today we had an analysis of 3 cosmetic products of actually different form, different composition, and different materials in it. But we can conclude that all 3 products are absolutely okay, and they are reliable with all international safety standards and have no harassing for a human body. So they are good to use on the markets worldwide. ProSpector 3 quickly scans the sample and provides data on its composition. The screen displays precise results for the level of toxic elements that actually is in a sample. And this data allows you to immediately assess whether the cosmetic meets all international standards. This fast and accurate analysis helps to cosmetic manufacturers confidently meet international safety requirements and prevent unsafe products from reaching the market. When it comes to producing cosmetics, manufacturers need to adhere to strict international standards. These standards limit the presence of toxic elements like lead, mercury, cadmium, and arsenic. For example, according to European Union Cosmetic Regulation EU 1223/2009, mercury is completely banned in cosmetics, except for certain medical skincare products, where minimal concentration are allowed. The FDA in the USA also restricts toxic elements and requires the products do not contain poisoning substances harmful to health. In China, according to CFDA standards, the allowable level of lead in cosmetic must not exceed 10 ppm. These regulations help protect consumers from the harmful effects of these substances. With XRF analysis using ProSpector 3, you can quickly and accurately determine whether the product meets these strict standards. For testing for heavy metals ensures that the product is safe and ready for the market release. Regular testing of cosmetics for toxic elements not only help prevent potential health risks, but also protects manufacturers from legal consequences and product recalls. One of the main advantages of using ProSpector 3 for XRF analysis is its portability. Thanks to its compact size and lightweight design, it can be used both in the lab and on productive lines for quickly quality control. The device offers high precision and speed in analysis. In just a few seconds, you get accurate data on the presence of toxic elements such as lead, mercury, cadmium, and arsenic. This allows for quick decisions on whether the product meets international standards. Another key advantage is the versatility of ProSpector 3. It is equally effective for routine lab testing and for on-site checks at production facility. This helps to prevent substandard products from entering the market. Precision, speed, and convenience. These are the key advantages of using XRF analysis for cosmetic. This solution helps to manufacturers ensure high product quality and compliance with all international standards. So, today we have explored how XRF analysis helps to ensure the safety and quality of cosmetic products. With ProSpector 3, you can quickly and accurately determine whether your product complies with international standards such as EU cosmetic regulations, FDA, and others. ProSpector 3 is portable, reliable, and efficient solution for cosmetic analysis, helping you to avoid risks associated with toxic elements and ensuring that your products are safe for consumers. If you have any questions or want to learn more about our equipment for cosmetic product analysis, feel free to contact us. We are always happy to help you ensure your products meet all necessary safety and quality standards. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up if you found this information helpful. We look forward to seeing you again on the Elvatech channel. Stay tuned and see you soon.